Just come back from the house being cleaned. It's absolutely fantastic. Skirting board's done, all the walls done. The guys, girls have done a fantastic job.
Yes, I'm very happy with everything.
The ovens.
The ovens, the kitchen cupboards, floors, skirtings, especially skirtings, windows, round the windowsills. Everything is just beautiful. Perfect.
Do you think this will help you in your sale?
Yes, I do. I think it will really, people will walk in and look at the house and be very impressed with the cleanliness of the house.
And how was your experience with our cleaning service?
Perfect. No problems at all.
We were punctual.
Smooth.
How was the communication?
Yes. Very good. Everything
Highly
was fantastic.
recommend you.
Yeah, highly recommend.
Highly recommend your
Thank you very
service.
much.